I'm seeing something that is I haven't seen like this before. A cat rubbing his face between the dust. I've never seen like this before. Let's get closer and see what is his reaction in this situation. As you can see, he's so dirty and he's rubbing his face in the dust, ash of fire, and I've never seen like this before. Let's get closer and see his reaction. What's happened to you? Have you ever seen like this before? It's a new thing I'm seeing. I've never seen like this before. Maybe he's so sick, maybe he is so in a bad situation. He rubbed himself between the fire ashes. Maybe he has an infection, maybe he has a scarf wound in his body. He is a male old cat, I guess. Have you ever seen like this before? No, I haven't. His ashes. It is kind of cold weather. Let's get closer. Hey boy, what's up to you? Why are you like this? What's the matter? What's the matter? No, he's not in a bad situation, but I've never seen like this before. Maybe it's hot. Yes, it's warm. Here is warm because of coldness, I guess. It's happened for him because of coldness. Poor boy. Can I help you? Do you allow me to helping you? I guess he doesn't allow me because he's wild boy. He's wild boy. And he's so sad. As you can see, he's so sad and dirty. Maybe it's a nice place for warming up. He has a problem. He has a huge problem. He says, go away and let me rest in peace and enjoy of my life. Let's leave him.